Hi, it's Ms. Todoric. It is February 21st, and today we are going to do a website review on FAO Schwartz. So I was there yesterday. I'm going to show you the YouTube short in Rockefeller Center. And I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Will the real MC please step to the mic? MC, you need an MC. Place to be. MC to MC.
All up in the blog, saying we met at the bar when I don't even know who you are. Saying we up in your house, saying I'm up in your car, but you in LA and I'm out at your mains. I'm up in the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the weed, it must be the E, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know.
And I know this website is probably blocked by our school district because it falls under that shopping category. So I am guessing most likely it's blocked. We can check when we get back, but let's browse. So this is the homepage. We can shop by age, baby and toddler, preschool 3 to 5 years. They have new arrivals. Then they have books, games, puzzles, outdoor toys, learning and education. They have a ton of plush and stuffed animals. I love looking at those, and very large ones. Here are some brands. They carry, oh wow, a lot, from Discovery to Cat to Candyland to Bonton Toys to Funko. They have their own brand, John Deere. They have Barbie. They have you name it, they have it. They have it all alphabetized by brand here. You can even look for gifts, an OMG, and then the sales section. So let's click on sale. I like how it's easy to navigate. You can click on my first powder pink dark skin tone doll for $24. That's a good deal. Originally $40. This is a cute little TV playhome. How big is this? This has to be big. It's $259. 3 and up. That's pretty cool. I like these cute little tents, these little puppet playhomes. Gotta be fun to play with the kids. All right, so we can go to the bottom of the homepage. So we'll go click on the homepage. They've been around since 1862. Here's a little bit of their story.
Some of your first memories are around them, but it's really not the toy. It's the feeling behind the toy. It's the chance to create the magical sort of moments of discovery, walking around the store with your family, with your friends, and creating memories that last a lifetime. I've heard from people across the world who remember as 5, 6, 8-year-old kids coming to New York City from Indiana, from Colorado, and they'd come and they'd see the Statue of Liberty. They'd maybe go to Saks Fifth Avenue, and they'd go to FAO Schwartz. FAO Schwartz was often the highlight of that trip and the memory they held most dear.
FAO Schwartz has always been a top 5 tourist destination. It's an American tradition. It's a New York tradition. It's a global tradition. And I think it has so many great memories for people of all walks of life. I think FAO Schwartz is needed now more than ever. People are looking for experiences. They're looking to places they can take their families and celebrate and enjoy. And I think now is the right time for it to be back. Return to Wonder is our new tagline, which really just expresses all those memories, all those great experiences, all that wonder is back again in New York City.
Return to Wonder is about what was the wonder that twinkled in FAO Schwartz's eyes in 1862. The future of FAO Schwartz is about capturing the best of the past.
Our flagship location is at Rockefeller Center, the heart of New York City. And what better place than Rockefeller Plaza? the Christmas tree and the ice skating rink, all these great memories, and we'll just be able to add to that.
Yeah, I definitely want to go back, especially during Christmas and to see all the lights. It's a special place. It really is. There's a lot of history to it. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful store, very helpful, a ton of staff. Let's take a look at their careers and see what starting salaries. All right, so we can view jobs here. It brings us to Indeed. If you don't have an Indeed account, sign in. You can upload a resume. A lot of times it's so much easier to apply through Indeed, or you can click on apply on company site. So we have $18.50 an hour, 21 to 23. Then we have a makeup artist for 21 an hour. I had no idea they even do makeup for the kids. Is that it? So you can read the job description if you need any background or any license. So you can take a look at these jobs. All right, so it looks like, yeah, to apply on Indeed. Let me go back to their homepage. Here we are. All right, so we're gonna go back down. There's VIP experiences. What is that all about? So you can get the Toy Soldier Tour. Starts at $300 for up to 6 guests. Enjoy a magical 1-hour tour hosted by a world-famous toy soldier at our New York City flagship. Oh, that's nice. And you receive a souvenir, personal shopping, dinner with the toy soldier. Ooh, nice. Enjoy a magical 2.5-hour dinner and shopping experience hosted by one of the world-famous toy soldiers in our New York City flagship. That starts at about $3,750. That's got to be cool. I'm curious. Let's book now. Up to 20 people. Oh, so that's nice. You can do this for like even I'm sure like a birthday party. And here's the email. Email them for any questions. And it looks like the availability, you could just click on one of these dates, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's one soldier dinner, one left on 7 p.m. Most of them, it looks like 7 p.m. on the weekends. All right, interesting. That's pretty cool. Very cool. Leave checkout. All right, birthday party. So here's birthday parties as well. Starts at $3,500. VIP experiences at FAO.com for more details. I love the piano. They have the piano in the store. You take off your sneakers, and I seen one adult was doing it there yesterday. Some guy. I should have filmed him. His wife was filming him. It's pretty cute. All right, so what else are we gonna look at? Returns, promotions, contact us. A lot of times you have recalls on toys and stuff like that, so there's a section on the website for that. You can send them a message right here, and they even, this is nice, they even have the 1-800 number. Let's go look at some products. $74. It's kind of expensive. All right, let's go look up some books. Cute. They have the soft plush book with the little cute teddy bear or the little bunny. $78. Little cute gift set. So you got the book, the little bunny. And it comes, oh, this is cute. I love it when it comes in a very nice, like, packaged box. This makes a nice gift, but this is $200. Comes with the blanket, the box, the book. You got it all. That's nice. What else do we have here? preschool vehicles and trains. I like train sets. Let's go look at the trains. Can we sort it? Let's sort it by... I wanted to see... Is that stations? No. Oh well. Yeah, I can't find it. Let's go. Sale, we already did. They do have this other little giant dance-on piano mat for $50. I like the store one. This is cute. The ballerina snow globe nightlight for $60. That's cute. I like that. Too bad there should be a button here to play the music. Really no. I wonder if you can actually ship that. I mean, they ship alcohol, so I'm pretty sure they can ship that as well. I mean, FAO Schwartz, they don't ship alcohol. I mean, I got a bottle from another company and they packaged it really good and they shipped it, so I'm pretty sure they can ship that ballerina snow globe. Oh, I always love it when they have the company name, like this cute little doll with blonde hair, $130, FAO Schwartz, and it has the logo, the name. And oh, I think it even has it on the little cute hat. I'll zoom in and see, but that's very nice. Love the hair too. All right, so you can further browse. They have a ton of toys, play sets, books, collectibles. Let's look at the collectibles and then, oh wow. She's very stylish. I like her. It's funny, you tend to like the dolls you look like. So for me, it's always looking at like a brunette, like her. Kind of just like the brunette dolls. All right, well, that's about it. Happy browsing. Until next time. Oh, and I just noticed you can also get a 10% off coupon. So that's a nice feature on the website. And they also have, like many other companies, they do have a chat feature. And you can even write a review. Take a look. Awesome. All right, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.